Ohayou gozaimasu. Welcome to the future of electric mobility. The icon of Nissan Intelligent Mobility is now available as the Nissan LEAF E+. I am honored to introduce the Nissan LEAF E+. The LEAF E+ is more LEAF. It has a bigger motor output and a larger battery capacity. It will provide more acceleration, more power, and more range for those customers who need it. We don't stop there. Nissan has continuously been exploring the role that an EV can play in society. Nissan Energy is our vision for a Nissan EV ecosystem. EVs don't just power your drive, they also power your life. Nissan Energy Share is a two-way charging solution that gives our Nissan EVs the ability to store renewable energy to the battery when it is created, and also to give back that power when it is needed. Nissan Energy will power a cleaner and more sustainable society through Nissan Intelligent Mobility, opening up new possibilities for moving people to a better world. Welcome to the future of energy and to a world powered by Nissan Intelligent Mobility.